In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're switching languages to better suit your needs, or you're working in a multilingual environment, adjusting the language settings in Adobe Acrobat can significantly enhance your user experience. Let's dive right into it to ensure every button and feature appears in the language you're most comfortable with. First, begin at the home page of Adobe Acrobat. You'll need to access your profile settings, so look towards the upper right corner where your profile picture is typically displayed. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find several options related to your account, and from here you need to select My Plan. This section gives you insight into your subscription details and more personalized settings. Next, locate the section titled Account and Security, an essential hub for all things related to your account's safety and management. Once you're in, you will see various options. Look for Account within these options. Clicking this will lead you to the settings page where you can manipulate several account-specific features. Now, it's time to find the language settings. Scroll down through your account settings until you locate the section labeled Language. This is where the magic happens. Once you find it, you'll see an option to change the language. Click on the Change button. This action will prompt a list of available languages that you can choose from. Review the options presented to you and select your preferred language from the list. It's crucial to choose carefully because this will alter the interface language of your Adobe Acrobat, affecting how options and features are labeled. After making your selection, don't forget the final step. Hit the Save button. This will apply the changes, and within moments, you should see your Adobe Acrobat interface refreshed in the new language. Remember, whenever you make changes like this, if something doesn't seem right, or you accidentally pick the wrong language, don't panic. You can simply revisit these steps and make another selection. Also, take note that language changes might take a few moments to reflect fully across the application, so a little patience goes a long way. That brings us to the end of our guide today. By following these steps, you have successfully changed the language settings on Adobe Acrobat to better suit your preferences. We hope this tutorial helps you personalize and optimize your Adobe Acrobat experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials. Happy editing!